No, 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 no. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. And I'm starting the SE5 flight test Mighty Mini build. Brent over at Adventure Time RC sent me this kit probably about a year ago. And I finally got the electronics ordered for it, and I'm going to start the build. So thanks again, Brent. Really cool of you. And here it goes.
Yeah, let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get it faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others saying that I'm blessed. But I keep my head down, cause I crave progress. You ain't never gonna stop me, cause it's my conquest. And I'm never gonna rest, yeah. And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. When everybody thinks they know ya, and y'all don't even know I own ya. And now I'm ready taking over, cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at
SE5, and in between glue joints and just having to wait for certain parts to dry and whatnot, I am working on the Tiny Hawk Freestyle, putting in a new tiny brushless motor, so multitasking.
I throw up, and if you cross me, it was good to know ya. I'm impatient, I don't ever slow up. I stay young, no, I never grow up. I keep working to the point I throw up, and if you cross me, it was good to know ya. Yeah, oh yeah, yeah. I'm not the type to take no for an answer. I don't deal with people that are like a cancer. No, instead I hang with the people that enhance ya. And I'm not the type to give out second chances. I just wanna work on my own for myself. I don't need no help, not anybody else. Nah, man, I got it dealt. I'm working on my wealth and I'm working on my health. Keep on working to excel, cause I'm working on myself. Yeah, and y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. When everybody thinks they know ya, and y'all don't even know I own ya. And now I'm ready taking over, cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything I'll show ya. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up. Yeah.
Alright guys, so this is going to be the setup that I use to film, hopefully when I'm flying in the air for you guys, so it might be a little bit better video than if I'm just having it set on a tripod. And here's the SE5. I've got it all Frankenstein wired right now, and not totally finished, just because I want to see how it's going to fly before I do anything else to it. So hopefully this goes well. And if it does, I'll finish up the wiring and stuff a little bit later on when I got my smaller speed control coming. I got a bigger one that I need in here, a little bit more weight. And I'm going to do a little bit more touch-up paint on it too. So my elevator and tail's working. Give the throttle a quick blip. Cool. There it goes. Dang it! No, 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 no! What happened? You gotta be kidding me. The rudder channel was reversed that whole time? No wonder it wouldn't fly. This was my fault.
Ty! Ty, where are ya? Ty! What happened? Poor guy, it looks like he's tuckered out. He's too heavy for me to lift, but at least need to get him into the shop.
And now I'm ready, I'm a man, I promise that I'm gonna make it somewhere. As long as I'm conscious, I'll be working hard to get there. I am not a novice, I'm gonna be the best, so prepare. Cause you know I'm honest and I'm coming for you, be scared. Man, I promise that I'm gonna make it somewhere. As long as I'm conscious, I'll be working hard to get there. I am not a novice, I'm gonna be the best, so prepare. Cause you know I'm honest and I'm coming for you, be scared. Y'all already know. Yeah, that's right. Y'all better watch out. NEFFEX is
Alright, I'll go on the Flight Test website here and see what they have for foam board. Guess I'll try calling them. Hey, Flight Test? Hey Josh, this is TSO Day. I need you to send me a whole bunch more foam board. What do you mean, what am I going to use it for? You the foam board police all of a sudden? Oh man, I'm sorry. I'm just mad. I just wrecked my SE5 bad, totaled it, and it just destroyed my guinea pig like last week too, so I need a lot more foam board. Thanks, man. Okay, bye.
now I'm ready, I'ma blow up.